Hi my people. So today time ya kutoka imefika. We do some tufanya your sunscreen. I'm not applying a lot. The sun is not that hot. Yes, and I'm not going directions the sun. Anyways, add some more. Yeah. So I have been at home the whole day. I want to at least take a walk and buy some food for myself. So let's move. Okay, it was a good day actually, but to my expectations it was not that good day. So let's go out. I'm just walking. I just want to take a 2-hour walk to like make my body energetic again. Look how moisturized I am, guys. This is how you should go out looking like. Yeah, and the sun is setting. It's around 4 to 5. It's 5 actually. So here we are. I'm not sure of the direction I'm taking. I'm just walking through the buildings. Yeah, so let's walk together. This is what I do when I feel anxious, when I feel like I'm stuck in one place for long, in case I didn't go to work. Hey, you guys are cooking?
Yes.
What are you cooking? What is that?
Rice.
Rice with majivu?
Yes.
Okay. So I met 2 happy souls cooking, and they're so happy actually. I just want to walk through buildings. I don't know whether you can recognize this. I live around the road, so I'm off-road actually. Purely, I'm off-road. I'm just walking through the buildings. The 2 mini paths. I'll follow them until it's around 6:30. That's when I'll go back at home. This is crazy. Let's go together. Whenever I feel unsafe using my phone, I'll just switch the camera off, and then I will lit it on once we are okay and safe. That mango tree has a good breeze. I wanted to go right, but I decided to go left. I don't know where I'm going, guys. Okay. 15 minutes later, we are still walking. I don't know to where. I'm just walking. Look at that, guys. It's a field. I don't know where it leads, guys. We're just walking. Najua. Utaniibia wewe? Kids are advising me to be like cautious. No, unachukua ama nani anachukua? Nikupatie? Sitaki uibe, nataka nikupe. I'm dangerous now. There is no road. Houses here, and we are stuck. So we need to go back. So I ideally don't know where we are at. We're just walking. safe or not. Oh my God. The road came to an end. There is no road anymore. So I need to go back. Where do I go back to? How do I go back now? So from here, I can see Mombasa Cement. There you go, there you go. That's the building. Huko juu yenye inaonekania huko juu. Yeah. So we keep our journey going on. It was a nice time watching the football match. We go past 8. It's nice to watch, but that wasn't the goal. The goal is to cover 10 kilometers. In how long? 2 hours. Will we make that happen? So, I don't know what should we do. We are going past the sun. I don't know whether you're seeing me. The sun is like setting. And I'm here, I'm going this way. So I currently don't know where I am, but what I want to do is, I want to look for a kibanda who is nearest, support them and go back home. Habari zenu. I don't know. I don't know. Extremely, I don't know where I am. I'm just walking by faith and hoping that I am safe. I hope the road doesn't head like the last time it headed on me. Finally can see an access road. A mosque. That I cannot trace the route that brought me here. What is left with me is looking for a nearby school so that I know where I am exactly. It's getting late and I don't have a way out of this place. Yes. Asante. So it's kinda, we got ourselves, myself back to the football playground. I hope so. Boy, is it not the same? Please. It's a new one, guys. What do we do now? This one is a new one. So guys, this is where we got ourselves. It's not the same field. So I don't know whether we are going back or we are going further. I don't understand. What did I get myself into, guys? I don't know where I am. Literally, I don't know. I'm looking for a school, at least to do the first landmark so that we can trace our way back. The moment we get the first landmark, hata kama ni church imeandikwa jina hiyo place, at least we will be in a position to trace our way back. But guess what? I'm not tensed. I'm really enjoying the area. I don't know where is this place. Sijui kama ni Kisauni or Bungoni, I don't know. Because I've been going up and down with the Vichochoro stuff. This year I can vlog openly and without fear because it's an open field. I don't know where we are going. Let me show where I'm passing through. So I'm forced to go through this big stuff. I hope that there are no animals. This is a route. Look at this. This seems like it was a swamp. Let me zoom in. You see? It seems like a dry swamp. I know. Yes, I mind sharing my pics. Because why am I sharing my pics? There is someone who texted me that I don't share pics, guys. If you want to see me, just come and see me. Or I share a link for my YouTube channel. You go watch me as much as you can. I don't have pictures to share with guys. Like, when you're done seeing me, where do you dispose my photos? Yeah, what do you do with them? Those times are gone, bana. We don't ask for photos these days. We ask for M-Pesa number. Please, guys, we ask for M-Pesa number. I don't know where I am. Let me hide my phone. I feel not safe. And then I don't know where we are going. Let's look for someone. We ask them for direction to go back to Bombolulu and White House. I see somewhere written White House. We're in the middle of coconut trees and mango trees. So do I go up or do I take my left? I don't even trust my instinct. My instinct has taken me far and far and farther. So I no longer trust them anymore. What do we do, guys? Hajasema down, amesema down. Oh. We are almost home, guys. So we found our way. We're not that far. After I got to an access road, I walked down the road until I got where we are going. I hope you're safe. Hey, sorry. So far so good. We bought mayai and kitungu, bado yogurt and fruits. So let's go to the other side of Bombolulu to buy such things, other things. Yeah, see you guys. So I found a preteen child, a girl child. She is the one who told me where we are. And another trick, guys, always say hi. Always say hi. Once I will. Hey, boo boo, are you pregnant? How old? And you have small babies. Boo boos here are very pregnant. So the sun has set peacefully. We are no longer with the sun. And I am no longer lost, anyways. Yeah, I'm no longer lost. I know where I'm going. I know where I am. But 30 minutes ago, I was purely lost. And I enjoyed finding out a way. Finding a way out. So at least I know where I am. I am very near to my home. Very close to my home. Actually, I'm home. So guys, this is a field that the kids were threatening me that my phone will be snatched. Let's end what we started, guys. I'm tired, but at least we've got the video for today. See you in the next one, guys. See you in the next one. Bye. You remember this same spot? So